can make money with crypto. Okay guys, so if you are just new to my channel, please kindly subscribe to the channel and also share the video and like the video also as well. Guys, if you are the person that don't know how to trade on any exchanges, okay, this app is really for you guys. Okay, this app is it will be giving you any amount of money you deposit here, and then it will be in form of USD. Okay, and then any money you have here, every 2 weeks you will get 2% of the money. Don't forget that in USDT. Okay, if you now have to transfer the money you have, you can easily withdraw down to your local account, or you withdraw it directly to your USDT. Any exchanges, you can change it to USDT or USDC. So they focus on stable coin, okay, with USD. So this app will help everyone that want to make money with cryptocurrency. What you need to do is deposit. Okay, immediately you deposit, you are good to go. The money will keep increasing. By the time you convert it to your local currency, you will be able to see that any country you are, you can now see that this is 0.10. Okay, and it shows that I'm a Nigerian, so you can convert it with your local currency. You can see that is 146 naira. Okay, so all the money will just be in USDT, and every week you will get 2 weeks return. You will earn 2% weekly on your savings. Okay, you can easily decide to save money here, and at the end of it you will see a lot of profit, because it will everything or your profit will be given to you in US dollar, and when you convert it to naira, that is money. Okay guys, that is why it's very good for you to use this app. Guys, right now, to deposit is very simple. Just click on deposit. Okay, whether from Nigeria, wallet or exchange, virtual bank account. So all this is what you are going to use. The very soon now, virtual bank account will wallet, but you can use wallet or any exchanges to deposit the money, or you use your local bank account. That is how to deposit. To withdraw, you can also withdraw directly. You can see it to your local payment or to any exchanges also. So the phrase is very easy to use. It's very easy to make money. If you want to make money as a cryptocurrency, if you don't know how to trade on exchanges, this app is really for you. And those of you that want to save, you like to save money and you want to make good return on it, you can use this app. You use this app, every return you will see, it will be in USDT. By changing it to your local currency, it means you will see a lot of money, guys. Okay, so that is what you do concerning this app. Very easy, and you follow the description below the video so that you can register for the app, guys. Okay, so if you find this tutorial helpful, consider to subscribe to the channel and stay tuned for my next update, guys. Peace.